This is Novo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs not. Polokwane City not. Siwelele Samasele Samusukulara. My brother, what's your name? Where do you come from?
Okay, station Wale Sele from Duduza.
Yeah.
Yeah, today I think it was second game before the last one. Game number
29.
29. Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and I saw patriotism of Kaizer Chiefs fans. They were here just to come and mania for them to be on top 8.
Yeah.
Which is, we could say, is something so unusual for them at this time. To be fighting to be on top 8. But anyway, it is none of my business. What I want to say to them and to all the supporters out there,
Of Kaizer Chiefs or PSL as a whole.
of South African supporters, all of them,
Yeah.
is for them to go and show the South Africa the love they show to their teams on the 29th of May, to go and vote,
Yeah.
to go and make their a vote count. And they must not just fold their hands and say they are not politicians or whatsoever, or that politicians are useless or whatsoever. No, politicians are not useless. They have been made useless because it is us, the people of South Africans, who put them there on those positions to deliver or not deliver. So, as much as you are patriotic about your teams and you are always breaking to each other with your teams, go and break on the 29th with your own
vote. Yeah.
with your own vote. And when you vote, you need to see what is happening in South Africa. Are you happy with the service delivery that you've got? Are you happy with the crime rate which you're experiencing in this country?
Yeah.
Joblessness in this country. As a supporter, are you happy? Most of these supporters here, they are not working. But one thing for sure, there is one word that I think it's Calvin Mullen, the former Sundowns player. He once said, "Loyalty doesn't pay bills." You don't have to go and vote because of your loyaltiness to a certain political party. You must go and vote because you want a change, you want a difference in this country, you want this country to be a better place, a crime-free kind of a country. Don't come and be bought or be given food parcels which will only last you for 2 weeks.
Thank you very much, my brother. I can see you as Siwelele. Siwelele was not relegated, but it was bought and moved to KZN. What is your feeling as a Siwelele supporter? Just your 2 minutes on that. What do you wish the government of Free State can do for you as the Siwelele supporters? Because as South African supporters, we know that the passion that Sundowns have, Pirates has in terms of the fans, it comes from Siwelele. So what is your message to whoever Majita ako Free State a ileng hore analyze haka a ileng hore maybe aka le thusa hore Siwelele se khutle?
I've let you corrected yourself at the last statement. Majitabako business people, wherever, who are willing to come and return the Siwelele, they must do that. I think football clubs are not for, it's not government related. So for anyone who is willing to return back, we are here, we are waiting. We are still the patriotic supporters who will never change. We are just wanting to appeal to them and ask them, please guys, do something. We are here, we will support you, we'll do whatever to make sure that the team is sustainable. We'll attend the games. And last, to Itumeleng Khune, who is a South African #1. We want to say thank you to you, Mr. Khune. Thank you very much. Well done, a great job, well done, my brother. You are a loyal servant of this football. You, even through thick and thin, when things were good and when it were bad. But you are one of the most players that have been so true and loyal to this
Team,
to the team and to the
South
country.
Africa,
To the country,
True.
So I wish we as supporters could appreciate people like that, irrespective of which emblem, which team do you come from? Yeah, we need to support and embrace things that as South Africans, we must be proud. We are so proud of you, my brother. Thank you so much, Kune. Keep it up, and for the new coming stars, I know they'll be looking up to you, my brother. You make a mistake, we forgive you. Everybody, there is nobody who's a perfect. So forget about the past, and for now, I think you'll be on the administration department. So please be a leader, show the patriotism, and I know you know how much passionate Kaizer Chiefs supporters are. So my brother, all of the best in your future endeavors.
Thank you very much. Station wala sale, station from Kutuza.
Thank you.
People of Bloemfontein, do something. We miss Bloemfontein Celtic. Mangaung. Bakiti.
You miss Makufe.
Makufe ban.
The only cup that you used to win.
Please. All businessmen from Bloemfontein, you can do something better. Please. Bring back Siwelele.
People from Bloemfontein, the business guys, you can hear even the Kosi fans want Siwelele back. Siwelele fans want Siwelele back. Hela ya alosa.
Alerato le.